Subscribe to this channel.
Hey guys, how y'all doing? My name is Salieu. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly on how you can add a subscribe watermark button on your YouTube videos. The simplest way to do that, guys, you need to go to your Chrome and download subscribe watermark. Alright, you go to your Chrome like this, guys. Alright, you type something like subscribe button PNG, something like this. Alright, a lot of them will pop up, guys. So as you see, I'm sure, guys, you can just tap on view all images. You can just select any image that you want, any subscribe button PNG that you want. For example, let me say let us see this one. Okay, so this one is too big, and you can just try. Okay guys, so for example, you can just choose anyone. Okay, it could be your image, it could be any subscriber. This clickable subscribe watermark is so cool. Like, let me see, guys, no, so let us choose anyone. Okay, for example, let me just download this one. All right, yeah, once I download it like this, guys, so I need to go to my Chrome and tap on YouTube. All right, so as you see, guys, so that is it. When it appears like this, guys, don't forget to tap on the three dot at the top right. All right, then you check on desktop site like this, guys. All right, so now we are on a desktop mode. So when it appears like this, when the interface appears like this, guys, you just need to tap on your profile icon. All right, then also, guys, you tap on your channel. When it appears like this, guys, you tap on customize channel. All right, if the interface appears like this, guys, let me zoom it for you. Okay guys, as you see, guys, this is the channel customization. Okay, all you need to do, guys, is to tap on the middle option, which is branding. Okay, so that's why I'm zooming it for you guys. Okay, you only need to tap on the channel customization branding. Okay, at the middle option like this. Okay, let me zoom it for you guys. Yeah, this is the interface. Okay, so if I could zoom it, guys, you only need to come to the last option, which is video watermark. Okay, the watermark will appear on your videos in the right hand corner of video player. All right, so in this case, guys, we just have to change it. As you see, guys, for me, my watermark is already there, but let's say let me remove it. Okay, so I need to put there a new watermark. All right, guys, so I just need to select any watermark that I want. So as you see, I have a lot of watermark. All right, so I prefer choosing this one. Done. All right, this is it, guys. Yeah, as you see the watermark like this, guys, it's up to you. If you want, you can resize it. If you want, you can leave it like this. All right, so yeah, you just need to tap done. That is it, guys. As you see, our watermark is already set. Okay, but there is something here, guys. It's up to you. As you see, there is three options here on display time. Here, the first option says that end of video. End of video means that the watermark will only pop up at the end of your video. All right, let us see the custom start time. It's up to you. If you want your watermark like to start like after 5 seconds, it's up to you. This one you can set it, guys, like 30 seconds, like this. You can set it anyhow you want. All right, but for me, I prefer leaving my watermark like on the entire video. For me, I prefer, but it's up to you. You can set it anyhow you want. All right, but for me, I prefer leaving it on the entire video. All right, When you set it like this, guys, you just need to come here at the top right, then you tap on publish, right? When you tap on publish, just look at the right bottom, guys. It will tell you that change is published, right? So let's tap on now. Let's go to our channel. All right,
how you can turn your Android phone.
now guys, this is our videos now. Okay, so now let's try to see. Let me try to open any of my video. All right, guys.
Okay, so
as you see, guys, this is one of my video. Okay, so the subscribe icon is right down at the right. Okay, so yeah, that is it, guys. For me, I set it like on the entire video. All right, guys, so this is all about the tutorial, guys. If this is your first time, guys, to check on my channel, please smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my video. All right, so peace.